Hey guys, Josh and Rick from the Redneck Homestead channel, and we are standing right in front of our recently moved and re-leveled Harbor Freight sawmill. Yeah, everything's all set up and ready to saw some wood. We don't have a lot of big timber up here ready to cut, but what we do have on the mill right now is a piece of ash. It's probably close to 10 inches in diameter. And we're going to run a couple of cuts down it. See if we can make ourselves maybe like a 6x6 or an 8x8. This one's only about 6.5, 7 feet long. One pull. I need your glasses, bud. You know what? That was stupidness on my part. I take all the blame for that stupid move. We didn't anchor. Log. You still rolling?
Oh, you're on.
I deserve to be criticized for that. Sorry, you guys. I deserve that one. What a freaking moron I am. I acknowledge it. As we're wasting water. Let's see if we can get this funky smell out of the saw, but that's you can hit stop on that. Guys, so as you know, everything happens in slow motion when you're off-grid or in the woods. And we ran out of water, and it's just something about using bottled water to lubricate a saw blade that drives me crazy. So Rick just took a four-wheeler ride down to the base where the spring runs off. And we should be back to sawing in just a second. ash that we dropped last week, right off the property. The blade's getting a little dull on this guy, but I got a couple fresh blades over there. This is really thin. This would actually kind of make some nice live edge, wouldn't it? I think it probably would. You have a lot of this, Rick?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll see how this goes. All right, guys. Well, that's today's video on the sawmill. It's short. We don't have a lot of material for you. We're not cutting a lot of wood today. The project was setting this saw up. It's set up. It's running properly. We do need to tweak and tune a couple of little things, but generally speaking, it's running exactly how we want it to. And we were able to eliminate that bump. This is nice and flat now, exactly how we want it. It's not perfect, but it's pretty darn close. Close enough for government work. So if you enjoyed this video, appreciate giving us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now. And we'll keep this stuff coming as fast as we can. Thanks.